Hi, I'm Eddie from Toolden. I'm here with Tom from Makita. He's going to be showing us the Makita HS012G 40 volt circular saw.
It is. So the HS012G, great bit of kit. It's a 165mm circular saw. It runs on the 40 volt XGT platform. It's brushless motor, so it's really nice and efficient there as well. Let's talk through some of the features, shall we? So first of all, it's got the two-stage trigger on the top as well. So you've got to depress the button and then press the trigger to activate. Working our way down, you do have a nice little joist hanger to keep it nice and out of the way for storage. Going down to the front, it does utilise a Effie cut blade on there as well. So Effie cut blade is, as clues in the name, efficient. It's an efficient cutting blade. It's a much thinner curve, cleaner cutting, faster cutting, and you're actually going to get more cuts per charge, especially combining that with the brushless motor as well. So it's really, really fast, efficient, clean machine, this one. Okay, the coloration that you can see on this magnesium finish, the actual magnesium base itself is going to be a lot flatter corner to corner. It's going to be a lot smoother running compared to something like the aluminium or steel bases that you may see. So there is a benefit to having that aluminium base. Working our way around to the front, it does have up to a 50-degree bevel on there as well as your preset angles on there as well. So 22.5 and 45 being your common angles for use there as well. Nice little lever for your bevel adjustment, which we can see. A nice feature on this machine as well is when you're storing it away at full height, you do have a zero clearance on the height, so it does sit nice and flat for storage, so you're not having to compete trying to balance the machine. Which is the same actually for blade changes too. So when you come to do a blade change, what we do at Makita is we tend to square off and flush off the actual exhaust vents just here at the side of the motor housing. So when you are changing a blade, it does sit really nice and flat on the table, so you're not fighting with that machine during a blade change. Fantastic bit of kit. Max depth of cut on this one, you're going to be talking around about 57mm depth of cut at 90 degrees, and that is the HS012G.
I'll just ask you, what does the XPT stand for?
Okay, great question. So this machine does have a little bit of technology in there as well. Several bits of technology that we've not yet covered. XPT is one, extreme protection technology. So whether it comes up against dust, water, in harsh conditions on site that they might come across, the machine is going to be a lot better protected with that XPT technology. As well as that, something that we've not yet mentioned, it does actually come with AWS, Auto Start Wireless System, which is your Bluetooth connectivity. So this will connect with a little chip that goes inside this little port, completely wirelessly to your dust extraction system. So as soon as you pull the trigger, the dust extraction will start up. So you've got that Bluetooth capability with the AWS there as well. Okay.
That's good. Just grab yours today from Toolden.co.uk.